morning. Thank you for joining us again today for a new What's New Wednesday video.
We're starting this morning, as usual, with some of the new items we've added to our collection recently.
This week in new materials, Lover Unveiled by J.R. Ward, another heart-pounding installment in the supernatural Black Dagger Brotherhood series featuring true love and evil incarnate in Caldwell, New York. Two partners fight for a future they know cannot be. A Gambling Man by David Baldacci. This follow-up to One Good Deed follows the World War II vet and ex-con Archer as he tries to start a new life in the promised land of California, only to find it may not be exactly as advertised. World Travel, an Irreverent Guide by Anthony Bourdain and Laurie Woolever. Anthony saw more of the world than almost anyone, and this collection of what to do and see is compiled from his notes and essays by his friends and family. And last we have the documentary Zappa. Alex Winter of Bill and Ted fame was given unfettered access to rock icon Frank Zappa's personal vault of archival footage to show the personal life behind the controversial career.
As always, you can check these items out through curbside service or come in during our regular open hours. We're open Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
And don't forget about our new laptop bundles. Those are now available from either library location. If you need a computer and internet access for work or school, we can help you out with that. Contact us for more information about checking out these special bundles.
We are closing in on the end of April very quickly, so as we announced last week, next week we'll be giving away our final regular weekly activity kits for preschool-aged children. But you do still have time to get on the list for that final kit, even if you haven't already signed up. Just follow the link in the video description.
This isn't your final opportunity forever for take-home activities, but we will be taking a break for most of that kind of programming in May to allow us more time to focus on our summer reading plans.
Summer reading registration opens May 24th, so that's just over a month away. We're really excited about that, and we're working hard to get everything ready.
We do have a couple other fun activities planned for May, however, just not our normal weekly or monthly activity kits. We're holding a do-it-yourself bookmark contest in May, more on that coming soon, and we will have one special opportunity for our community members to pick up a free gift/activity kit from us.
May, of course, is when we usually host our Spring Victorian Tea at Thistle Cottage. The COVID-19 pandemic prevented us from holding that activity last year, and unfortunately, due to the nature of the event, we aren't going to be able to host that event again this year. So, we've created tea-to-go kits so you can celebrate at home instead.
These kits include a serving of tea and a few non-perishable snacks for a small one-person tea party, as well as some information and tips to help you if you're interested in hosting a small event of your own, or if you just want to learn more about tea.
We're still disappointed that we don't get to host our annual tea again this year, but hopefully this will help fill a little bit of that void. And we're really looking forward to holding our party again next year when hopefully the pandemic will be over and we can get back to some semblance of normal once more.
Those kits will be available in limited quantities, so you will need to sign up in advance to get one of those. Registration begins next Monday morning and the kits can be picked up the following week, May 3rd through the 7th.
In the meantime, while you're waiting for our tea-to-go registration to open, make sure you followed us on social media to see what else we have going on. Tomorrow, we're sharing a Throwback Thursday video about the history and future of the old Graham School, and next Tuesday, we'll have a new tech tutorial to post.
Plus, of course, you can join us every Wednesday morning to find out about all the latest library news.
Speaking of which, that's all we have to share this morning. Have a great week, everybody. Thanks for watching.